the US stock indices are rising with a view to setting another round of records. The US currency continues losing ground against major world currencies, including the Canadian dollar. Today, major US stock indices continue trading in rally mode. This means that US stock index futures may well continue gaining ground after reaching yesterday's record highs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.43%, NASDAQ High Tech Index added 0.4%, while S&P 500 climbed 0.46%. The S&P 500 is up more than 15% over the past year, while the NASDAQ has surged over 43%. The weakest annual rate was shown by Dow Jones, which gained only 6%. Investor optimism is also backed by the news from the US. On Tuesday, the House of Representatives voted to Donald Trump's demand to beef up stimulus checks set to go out to American households in the coming weeks from $600 to $2,000. In general, the markets did not attach great importance to that news, but responded to it with marked optimism. The American currency continued losing ground as investors focused their attention on riskier currencies. This is largely due to the vote in the U.S. House of Representatives, which passed a bill to increase direct coronavirus relief payments. At the same time, the US dollar against a basket of major world currencies fell by 0.34% to trade near 90.01. The US versus the Canadian dollar pair extended weakness as well. The quotes declined by 0.21% to settle at 1.2818. Despite the fact that the Food and Drug Administration had recently approved Moderna's coronavirus vaccine for emergency use, the company's shares stumbled by nearly 10% on Monday. Investors were apparently spooked by the news of one patient's allergic reaction following vaccination. Moderna's vaccine was the second of two U.S. ones to receive the FDA's authorization for emergency use. The first Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine received authorization 6 days earlier. By the way, several allergic reactions to Pfizer's vaccine have been reported as well. You've watched daily financial news on Insta TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back tomorrow.